Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a keyboard and mouse on your Android device. This setup can truly elevate your gaming, offering a more precise and familiar control scheme, much like playing on a PC. We'll cover everything from the essential equipment you'll need to the software configuration and in-game adjustments. Get ready to transform your mobile gaming experience and gain a competitive edge with these detailed instructions. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need a few key pieces of hardware. First, an OTG adapter, which converts your phone's USB-C port to a standard USB-A port, is crucial. If you're connecting both a keyboard and mouse, a USB hub will be essential to expand your connection options. For the best performance, I recommend using wired peripherals, as they generally offer more consistent input. Make sure your Android device supports OTG, and you'll be well on your way. Once you have your hardware, the next step involves software. You'll need to download a reliable key mapping application from the Google Play Store. There are several good options available, so choose one with positive reviews. After installation, remember to grant all the necessary permissions for the app to work properly. Then, physically connect your keyboard and mouse to your Android device using the OTG adapter and USB hub. With everything connected, you're ready to start mapping your controls. Now for the exciting part, optimizing your in-game experience. Open Call of Duty Mobile and use your key mapping application to assign specific game actions to your keyboard keys and mouse buttons. Don't forget to adjust your in-game sensitivity settings within Call of Duty Mobile itself. This is crucial for precise aiming. I highly recommend spending some time in training modes to get comfortable with your new setup before jumping into live matches. Experiment to find your perfect configuration and dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.